Hello. Hello. Technologies and in software analysis and development. Team presentation. Aprendiz Tatiana Isabel Silgado Araújo. Instructor Clara Sáenz. Sheet 2462. De Oscurana, Tierra Alta, Córdoba. This is beautiful place and located 8 km to the south of the municipal seat on the road to the Urrá Dam. There is the Paro Saltillo and then the Oscurana Saltillo. It is beautiful, large place, white and green and colorful landscape. This is beautiful paradise of green and cool water. You will feel happy and relaxed. It is perfect if you like to hike. It is landscape with exquisite flora and crystalline and cool ravine as well as many natural rocks that adorn it. One is like or large natural pool and the second where the waterfalls which constitute the natural attraction of the site. The crystalline clear and cool water completes the experience. Birds and hair and the magical beauty of natural is enjoyed. It is a fun and scared. Visit it. You will love it. Thank you.